Okay, so welcome to skyVac House once again, and we've got some more top tips for you. Here's a top tip. Okay, so you've come up to a property. It could be a terraced house, or it could be a property that's got a side path. However, the side path may well be obstructed, so it may have some bikes down the side, some odd bits of wood put up against the side, and access might be a little bit difficult for you. Even though the skyVac chassis has been designed to fit down a side path, as I say, there could be some obstacles. So how do we get around them obstacles? What we can do with the skyVac is remove the head, like so, and then just down here there's a couple of levers which you can lift up and then lift off the chassis. Now the skyVac is independent to the chassis, so we can park that to the front of the property and we can now carry this down the side path or through a terraced house. It's ever so lightweight, look, hardly weighs anything. Once you get to the rear of the property, all you need to do is put it back down on the floor, put your head back on, attach your flexi hose, your carbon fibre suction poles, and you can start working. Okay, how's that?